Just a quick unboxing for you of the Powerbeats Pro 2, a pair of wireless earbuds from Beats, and these are boasting up to 45 hours of battery life with the charging case and also a heart rate monitor. So let's go ahead and see exactly what's included. Inside the package, we're greeted by the charging case itself, and as we open that, we can see we have both earbuds, and these will attach in through the clips there, the magnetic clips, so very easy to put in and out, and you can charge them in the case, obviously, which charges over USB-C. However, one thing I will say is that there is no charging cable in the box, as you are about to find out. We have the documentation, and we have the replacement earbuds if your ears require a different size. Fairly easy to change over, but that's it, that's what you get. So you get the earbuds, which won't stand up on their own, so I will hold those, and the charging case with the Powerbeats Pro 2 inside, and then get the app downloaded. If you are on Android, you can also of course use these with your Apple device as well. But that's what you get in the box. I said it'd be quick. See you next time.